So here, so we're already going through all of them and checking if their mission ID is the currently tracked mission. So I think what we need to do is, if we get the quest details, not that one. What the heck? Oh, mission, that's why. Mission details. There's still a few like quest. When I was prototyping this, I named everything quest, and then I tried to go back and rename everything to mission. So we break this open. So I think there's.
Do you have an int for like current stage?
Yeah. Yeah, I can just get this instead.
Nice.
Current stage. Break that. I thought I had a.
Well, current stage. Does it go deeper than that? Stages have objectives or something? I forget. What is a stage?
A stage is like, right now it's the same thing because all of our missions just have one stage. But if they had multiple stages, it'd be like multiple missions, and then the whole mission would be like a quest line.
So we need a. There's below stages is objectives.
Yeah.
And we need to know which objective we're on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't think you have it. Do you have an integer for that yet?
I don't think so. No.
Yeah, we need to increment that.
Yeah, there's a. What's this? I swear there's a. Got a map somewhere that's got the. Let me see. Mission, current objective, progress. Yeah, this one. No, I couldn't find that. Okay. So what current objective progress is the. It's a map. So the key is a string. The string is the ID, the objective ID, and then the map is, or the value is an integer. So if the objective is 1, or the quantity is 1, which is the default, then it's just 1. But if it was like 3, like kill 3 enemies or get 5 things, then it would be 5. So if we can check this, let me see. So in theory, if we get the keys, so the first element should be index 0 on my objectives.
Yep.
So if it's greater than 1, then it should be complete. Or, dang it, we'd have to check. Yeah, it would depend. It depend on the objective, right? Some objectives, if it's more than 1, so we'd have to check like the theoretical max against what it currently is to see if it's finished. And if it's finished, we can set it to show.
Yeah, once I got a question from Cracker. Just to catch anybody up who's joined late, we're working on our mission system, and in particular, we're trying to solve the issue of having different, like a mission can have multiple objectives. Right now, it doesn't care what order you complete them in to finish the mission, and we're trying to make it so that ordering matters depending on the mission. So, all right. So I'm confused by this current objective progress map. Like, it seems convoluted to me. It's a map of keys and values, but I just want to know which integer objective I'm currently on. Do we have that information?
Not directly, but you could get it through this indirectly.
How do you get it through that indirectly?
I've actually already got a function here for when you complete an objective. So
Yeah, we should just increment current objective. Like if sequential, then increment some sort of current objective integer.
yeah, objective complete. Okay. Yeah, where to go? Okay, so we could store that. Let's see. Want to store that in the mission itself, the mission actor. So we could make a new variable for current objective. Make it a int. Default is 0. And so then every time, let's actually make a function in here. Increment objective. Okay. So I can pull off here and increment objective. Okay.
Nice.
And then, so after this, we need to show the next mission marker. So I think we need a new, let's see, new function for this. This we'll have to worry about this separate. This happens. There's also the issue of like, so we've got these actors and they've got this component, the objective component, and it spawns this thing, but there's no, these markers don't know what objective they belong to. I don't think.
Well, does the objective know what markers belong to it?
No, it doesn't know that either. Let's see.
Yeah, because right now we just spawn everything at once. It has a like the component that has its objective ID,
Mhm.
and we just. How does a mission know what objectives are mapped to it? When I track a new mission
Yeah.
and you show the mission markers, where's
Mhm.
that? How does it know?
Through the data table. So for each objective, we're spawning a. Let's see, add new mission. Vector. Trying to remember. I wish I could play in editor.
Yeah, it's frustrating.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting lost in the weeds a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so all I'm doing here is after all the markers are hidden, I'm just checking if, so the markers do have,
Mission IDs.
yeah,
So every single time we track a new mission, we just iterate through every single mission marker and see if it has the right ID.
yeah, and then hide
So
it.
it's not like the mission itself knows what markers belong to it, or there's no current array that maps mission to mission markers.
Correct.
And that's the issue we keep running into.
Yeah. Um, yeah, so I guess one way we could do it is map objectives to the markers. The marker knows what objective they belong to.
Yeah, does a marker have some sort of objective ID?
No, it's not. Just a mission ID.
Well, when you
Oh,
complete an
right.
objective, how does it know?
Yeah, it does. I changed my
Okay.
mind. Mission markers do have objective IDs.
So for now, we should just do this full iteration thing, but check objective IDs as well. Does that make sense? Whenever we're trying to spawn the next objective marker.
Yeah.
I know it's inefficient, but for prototyping, I think it should be fine.
Okay. So I've got the objective ID of the marker, but now I need to know the objective, what objective I'm on in the mission. And we started tracking that current objective.
And then
The
you need to
current,
look up the map, get the map, get the
yeah.
objective ID.
I want, keep doing that mission. Mission. Why is this? Data. Can't I find anything? I'm gonna use this one. That should be the same thing. I don't know. Oh, I know. I want current stage, and then I want the objectives. I want to find, not find, get a copy, and I want this one. Break that. Objective ID.
All right. Now you can.
Okay,
Now you can unhide that guy.
that's the one. If it's sequential, we need to. Let's.
But before that loop, or create 2 loops, one if it's sequential, one if it's not.
Yeah. So that's in the right here. Okay. Well, I can't do that there.
Isn't it from tracked mission? Just pull out tracked mission on the left.
Yeah. I want this that way. What a mess.
Yeah, if you don't mind, duplicate that that one you're pulling the condition off of, just so we don't have.
Yeah. It's a mess. I still need to, yeah. Okay. So this. Oops. Oh.
Probably just check get, do a validated get on tracked mission earlier and not do it there.
Okay.
Like before that is even set, just do a validated get, and if it's not valid, don't even do any of this. Cool.
Good call. So we can. Wait. The reason I was doing that is because if there's no mission tracked, we want them to be hidden. But if we do this, then it stops right here and they never get hidden.
Okay, now I understand.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
John said fixes in, by the way, so at some point before we play an editor, we should get the latest.
Okay. Can't do that.
Yep.
So what do we do? We're checking if the mission is sequential. If it is, gonna get all the markers for each one. We're gonna go through and check if the marker's ID is equal to the current objective ID. If it is, we're going to show it. If it's not, we're going to hide it.
And this is just on clicking tracked mission, right?
Yes, just when you click on it.
This is not necessarily, we need to do something similar for when you complete an objective, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it. Sounds good.
Okay. So then objective complete. Could we just run this same function again on track mission or on objective complete? Would there be any problem with that?
No, it's not ideal, but it would be fine. It would work, so might as well do it. The only reason it's not ideal is but it's because we keep iterating over all of them. At some point, we're gonna need to just track the objectives relevant to us.
Mm-hmm.
But that we're not worried about that yet.
All right. Well, I think that's ready to test.
Okay, let's
Um,
let me check the editor or the UGS. You're not able to get that John submission right there, are you?
no, it's still building.
Okay.
Yeah, I have no idea how long that'll take to build.
I get it locally here. Well, go ahead and test it. You're just gonna crash when
Yeah.
you exit.
All right. So open up my missions, select my mission. Okay. Nope. All right.
All of them are there.
Yeah, I've still got all of them.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Why do we think that's the case? Did you check on this mission is sequential yet?
Think so. Nope. I didn't crash.
Oh, nice. All right. Well, don't
I,
question. Let's keep going.
okay. I ejected first. I don't know if that means anything, but
All right. Well, double check to see make sure that mission has the Boolean set.
okay. Mission. Um, is sequential is checked. So let's break this here. We should go here. Ah,
Did you crash?
now I crashed.
This is too good to be true. Dang it.
Huh.
Well, let's see. I'm up and running, but I don't have your latest stuff. Maybe if you push what you have, we can go off of. I can get it, and then we keep working on my screen
Okay.
rather than wait for John's change to be fixed or push to UGS.
Okay, it's submitted.
Nice. There, I see it. Okay, latest. Okay, got it. What level were you working on? So I could bring that up.
Called Quest System Test Map, I think.
Okay. How about that? We got 50 people watching us just casually develop. That's awesome.
What a bunch of creepers.
I'm
Did you
hoping
guys
we inspire somebody to get into game dev. Maybe this is boring to other people, but
Don't you guys have jobs or something? What are you doing?
yeah, the jobs are Star Atlas.
Nice.
Professional community members. Okay, I'm back. So you said quest something or another level.
Quest System.
Quest system test map. Oh yeah, I see. I see that. That's the Hogwarts Legacy mission editor. There's all sorts of plugins or other proprietary mission systems, and we're trying to avoid relying on a plugin because then we're reliant on it being maintained. And we've had issues where we upgrade to the latest and a plugin just isn't working anymore. So, but perhaps that mission editor is something we can look to for inspiration. Man, this map's taking forever.
It's that Ooster large skeletal
Yeah,
map.
I haven't built it before, I guess.
Yeah, it took a while the first time I opened it. That's a lot of Ooster to load.
Yes. The big boy. Thick with 2 C's. Okay. All right, and close all this and get the right blueprints up. So what was the blueprint we were working at it called?
If you go to the blueprints folder, there's a quest.
Blueprints. Is there a quest folder?
Yeah.
Quest system.
So the mission actor base you probably want.
Okay.
And then in components folder is the quest log component.
Mission log.
Oh yeah. Gosh.
Okay. So we wanted track mission. We wanted to breakpoint here. No. Where did we want to breakpoint? All of them were coming up, right?
Probably at that branch or
See if this is actually okay.
yeah, what that's saying.
So I press U, or do I take one of these guys' missions?
Did that already break?
I had a breakpoint already, yeah. On begin play.
So yeah, hit you. And then missions, and just click. Nothing. There it goes. So what was the condition? Did it say true?
Oh, I just, yeah, I went up.
Or you're stepping through? Okay.
I wonder if this ever gets, if this gets called again somehow.
Click on it again. Should work.
Okay. So it was going up here,
Okay.
which is good. Somehow, all of them. What do I want to break next?
Yeah, probably just that. We need to figure out why. So the objective ID of the marker and the current mission are saying they're the same for all of them.
I'm gonna print the objective IDs for every single one instead,
Okay.
and then see if any are getting hidden. Okay, let's try that. I can ignore this breakpoint. Okay, so go here, mission, click on this guy. Something is getting hidden. How many are in here? We got 6. Which one is this? I don't know which one. I'm just gonna read the IDs.
The IDs aren't there. You can see them in the data table, but they should be like tests.
I wanted to print them. These aren't gonna be correct?
They should be.
Yeah, I was trying to, I wasn't seeing anything print.
Oh yeah.
Maybe they don't have objective IDs. How do I string to?
How do you format a string? Is that what you said?
No, not format. I think it was printing empty objective IDs. I just wanted
So
to verify.
Yeah, if nothing's printing, then it's probably they're empty.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, where do we give the mission markers their IDs? I know that's a variable in the mission marker. I'm just not sure where it's populated. So maybe open the BP mission marker. It's probably it's exposed on spawn. Or no, it's not. It's not exposed on spawn.
I don't think you're ever setting it.
Okay, yeah, it's probably not getting set. So do expose on spawn and then we'll set it when they get created.
Okay. And where do these get created again?
The mission objective component. You can just open the folder that's in. Yeah, there's your problem. Yeah, so wire that in. There's objective ID here. Hopefully that's correct.
Oh, let's give it a shot. Okay. You. Enemy 1, anyone?
It's like they're backwards. Yeah, the only one that doesn't have it is the terminal, so it's like it's backwards.
Interesting.
Did I do that wrong?
Equals.
If it's the same. Oh yeah, I do have those backwards.
Yeah, it's set hidden.
Yeah. I'll switch those.
Right, I don't need these print strings anymore. I think this is it. Okay. So open up my missions, like this guy. And my first mission marker is that guy.
And the rest are hidden.
Yep.
Nice.
Interact.
Get that one.
Next one.
Hey.
That works. Sick.
Will all three of these guys get lit up?
Yeah.
Yes.
And they're all gone. Okay.
Oh. Do one thing for me in the mission data table.
Mm-hmm.
Set it to kill 3 enemies.
Okay.
See if
DT
that
mission.
works. Yeah.
The mission data.
Mm-hmm.
My first main mission. Your stages. Under objectives. Third objective, eliminate target quantity 3.
Yeah. See if that
Save
works.
that. Okay. Give that a shot.
In theory, it works. I've never tested it.
Fastest mission ever. Okay, here we go. Jeez. He's got a lot of health.
Mm.
They all disappeared.
Hmm.
So we gotta get that working. Isn't that the next thing we want to do?
Yeah. Well, it's curious because it did that. It said the objective was complete, but it didn't complete the mission. I wonder if you'd killed the other 2 if it would have finished the mission.
Let me test that real quick.
What you need is a grenade.
Mission complete.
Okay. Yeah, so that
Um,
part of it's working.
Yeah.
It's just like the mission markers.
Disappear.
Yeah.
Oh, why do they disappear? The objective, they shouldn't disappear unless the objective is being completed,
Complete.
right?
Yeah.
I don't need that. Track mission, objective complete. Let's breakpoint. Make sure it's not getting called on first kill. Okay, track mission, objective complete, correct. Next one, objective complete, okay. Let's see, it shouldn't be called after I kill this guy. It is being called. So that's the problem. Why? What calls objective complete?
Objective complete. I think that's called. That's not it.
Multiple objective completes.
Yeah, the other one's for the markers. Or lets the mission actor know that the objective's complete. So that objective complete gets called from various places. So like it's in the GA player death when general. Like when you kill a guy, it's in.
Well, that might be the problem. If I'm killing a guy and he's saying objective's complete, but the objective needs 3, it doesn't know here.
It doesn't know here, but we should check that in. Yeah, in the component, we should check that. Because all these guys have the same ID, and I think that's fine.
Okay, so maybe for now, if an objective has a quantity, every single time objective complete is called, we increment the quantity until quantity equals, well, until you hit the quantity, and then we can call this objective complete. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
And this?
Yeah.
Increment objective. This is increment objective, like, of the mission, right?
Yeah, but that's what that map is for. So the map is.
Crap, I lost my spot. What was that function called?
Objective complete in the.
This one?
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, no, there's objective complete in the mission log component.
Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, we need to work on the naming there. I'm getting lost.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what is this? Mission log, objective complete, and this is objective complete mission actor.
Yeah. So your log needs to know, but yeah.
1 sec. Rename. Mission actor. Objective complete. And this is actually, I'm going to call this objective update. Right, because we're either going to increment the objective counter or we're going to mark it as complete, right?
Yes.
Okay. So where's the data for knowing if I have a quantity of greater, or yeah, where's the quantity data?
Let me think about that. For the, I'm gonna open this in my editor so I can look.
Sure. Objective. Mission objective component. Do I have? I don't see any quantity data. No, it wouldn't be in here.
Struct div details. Yeah, my editor's frozen.
Objective ID. Mission actor. Nope. Mission stage? No. Current objective progress? Current objective count. Quantity.
Yeah, my editor's like frozen.
Yeah, I have no idea where I can grab that data. In the objective data, but there's not like a struct for my current objective anywhere. Current missions. I'm going through all BP mission actors, finding the one with my objective ID. That's true. Or mission.
Objective. Okay. All right, I think I understand what we need to do. So I think we need like a new function on objective where it says objective complete. We don't really know that it's complete there. All that we know is that we got a message from some, an actor saying that that objective ID, something happened with it. What we need to do is then like increment the map with the current objective progress. We need to
Okay.
get the ID and increment it.
Right here, when I'm calling this mission log objective updated, I need to try increment it, or I want to check to see if my current objective progress is like what it is and compare it to what it needs to be to complete. And so how do I do that?
Well, that's what that find knows. That output, that's the progress of your current objective.
Okay. And
But we're never updating it.
how do
So
I
it's always
compare
going to
it
be 0.
Before I update it, how do I compare it to what it needs to be to finish the mission?
So that would be the length of, no, that would be the quantity of the current objective, right? Because there's a quantity. So if you pull off of, let me think. So if you pull off the array element, because that's the mission actor. So you do get current stage, I think it's called, current stage details. Yep. And then break it. And then objectives. We need to get your current objective. I think you can pull off that array element and get, I don't think that's the one we want. Pull off that array element again and get current objective. And plug that in.
Okay.
And now you can, from that get, you can break that. And then the quantity.
I have to compare this.
Yeah, if it's bigger than.
No, it should. I need to increment it first. So first,
I think we want to do this in the mission actor, not in the log component.
Do all this?
Yeah. Just the incrementing of the. So if you go to objective complete in the, or you renamed it, yeah, this one. Well.
Already adding it.
Oh, I already am incrementing it. Never mind.
Yeah. So
okay.
Right here, we just need to we just need to compare. And if it's not, then don't call this.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so increment objective. We don't want to do this yet. So all this stuff right here, we only do this if it's actually complete. So right here, this function.
Yeah, we need to rename this function because this isn't really mission complete yet. We don't know that yet.
Yeah, I want to create a function called mission complete.
Or objective updated.
This one's objective updated. So this is like my counter change, or I clicked on a new mission. That's when this gets called.
Yeah.
Right. So here I want to check.
Don't you just want to check if that find node that is greater than
Sure. Greater
or
or
equal?
Yeah, it should be equal. It should never pass it. But I'm gonna do greater or equal just to be safe.
Okay. To that.
Branch. If true, then do all this, right?
Yeah.
If false, don't do anything.
Yeah. For now, eventually when we have our HUD, we'll want to like increment the number on the HUD so the player could see that they've got, you know.
Yeah. What happens if I just click on track objective? What this gets called, but it doesn't do anything. This track mission needs to happen earlier.
I don't think this happens when you click on something. When you track a mission.
Oh, you're right. I was thinking. Okay,
Yeah.
well, let's check see if this works.
Okay.
Nope. Broke something.
Mm.
I think I got stuck at the quantity.
Yeah. Increment.
I bet you this returned false.
I bet it did.
Quantity. The thing is, if they're both 0.
Oh, I think it's the order of operations thing, because that function in the mission actor where we're incrementing.
Right here. We need to do it first.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense to me. Right here.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe do a print on that false just for fun. Or
Okay. What was I? Here we go. Wait, I need to turn on my mission.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
What?
How the heck did that happen? This is really broken. Yeah, what happened? This gets called, but remember this gets called multiple times?
Open that up.
This?
The increment objective. Oh, no, that's not the one I was thinking of.
We don't want to do that.
You know.
Yeah, because it incremented it twice before we even started the mission.
Yeah. In the mission actor. Yes, this function. So this is the function that increments the objective progress.
Uh-huh.
So I just want to make sure that this is getting. This needs to be called first.
Do you want me to break point or try to call it?
Mission. Well, what calls this? Mission
Let's
actor.
find out. Mission log component calls it. Oh, wait,
So that one.
this is the one we need to move up.
Yes,
Okay,
I do believe.
I'm holding you to it.
Okay.
So we want to do this first, and I'll fix all this spaghetti. For those OCD people like me, just drives me nuts, but we'll fix it in a little bit. Okay. So that should help. Try again. Okay, we got the correct marker up. So far, so good. All right, here we go. Nice. Is it supposed to show that every time?
I didn't think it would, but
Yeah,
I'm
we
not
wanna.
like opposed to it.
I don't think we want that every time.
Yeah, probably not.
I
Once
mean,
we have a HUD,
ideally, what we want is like a
HUD.
journal that shows
Yeah.
how many kills, like in any normal MMO.
Yeah.
But that's working. That's good.
Hey, yeah, I think that's pretty
Bring this
good.
up quick. Objective ID. Hmm.
Hey, Chip, maybe you should start a YouTube channel where you just like clean
Clean
up
stuff up.
spaghetti.
It's like
And then,
ASMR, but
yeah,
coding.
you gotta
Visual
like
scripting.
whisper as you're doing it, narrate yourself.
You know, I would actually watch that.
Bet you would.
I would. I love cleaning stuff up. But this one's kind of interesting. I don't know
It's
how to
tough.
do
You
this.
can collapse that node. Or yeah, those arrows.
What I want to do is actually let's move this up.
Yeah, reroute that whole.
Okay. Got a bunch of these.
You need to delete that line going into that mission actor objective completes getting it twice.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. Gotta clean this one up. Hmm. The funny part is none of this does anything to the code. It's just for us to look at it. I don't move all this back. this. Almost done, at least for now. All right, well, at least it's readable. And we need Daniil. He's the one that makes things really pretty. But I'll call that good enough. At least we don't have tangled lines everywhere. Okay, so now we have sequential objectives and we have objectives with multiple steps or multiple quantities working. In this process, was there something else we wanted?
No, I think that's good for now.
We didn't need to update this one, did we?
No.
Okay, I'm not gonna close that.
Did you want to get rid of that objective complete widget?
Yes, let's do that. That's the point.
Okay.
We don't want an objective complete widget if the objective's not actually complete.
Okay.
So
trying to remember what calls that. Open that and see if it's in there.
in here,
Yeah.
this.
Yep, that. It's not getting called though, is it? Oh. Yeah, I mean, we could just move that to the, since we're already doing the check in the log component. Wait for.
I could add a boolean here. This is maybe lazy, but and just if it's complete from here. Actually, I don't know until after. So what I want to do is add it here.
Yeah, right? So maybe you got to pull it out of there and put it in.
Okay, so let's do that.
Which makes more sense anyways. And the sound you could probably do as well.
Okay, so we want this, this. Are all objectives complete? Does this doesn't matter, right?
We don't need pull that, no. But you do need that,
this, right?
That last one, yes.
What about this?
Autocomplete. Yeah, we'll need that.
All right, I'm just gonna copy it. I'm going to create a new function. Handle objective complete.
Widget
effects
or UI.
There's a sound there, right?
Oh yeah, I guess.
Or I could do a widget UI and then also create another one for effects. Okay, like if we spawned confetti or sound, they would go in there. Okay.
Yeah. Fireworks.
Yeah. So this one goes in here.
I think that is it. That's it. Yeah. For now.
Easy. need that. And this here. And we're going to call it. So all this gets called if met objective. Right here, I want to call this.
Sure. Yeah. Mission.
Handle objective complete UI. Okay. And this only gets called if we actually completed the objective because we do the check right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So I need to pass in based on close that. So first off, I need the mission objective name, which comes from the objective details, which comes from the objective ID. So objective ID first. And that is a string.
Yes.
ID. I need to pass in the ID here. I have it.
What do we need in there? Just the name? Is that all we need? Is the name? Whoa.
Yeah. Do I already have that somewhere else?
Yeah. Well, let me think.
I was just right here. Right here?
Yeah. Yeah, just pass in the name.
Okay. Objective name. Wait, this is a text.
Yeah, just make it a.
Okay. And then in here, I take the objective name.
You don't need that anymore.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Add to viewport.
You're going to need to pass in
I need
something.
mission details. Where'd that come from?
The log should have it. I guess it would be your tracked mission, right? Well. Usually.
This?
Mission. Yeah.
Why do I need to do this autocomplete thing?
Some mission autocomplete is if you have to return to a quest giver or not, essentially.
Oh, so
Like it just
after
automatically finishes as soon as
understood. So I need to know if that's true. Then it was wait for objective complete finished.
Yeah, so this is a UI thing. So we want to wait until the last objective UI clears before we do the mission complete UI.
So I need to wait for all this to.
So that's, you really just need to pass in the reference to the objective widget. You go back to where that was. Let's see, where was that?
Oh, and mission actor.
I think it was in the log component there. If you go, I don't remember where that was. No, it wasn't here.
What am I looking for again? Objective notification.
Yeah, you need to, you have to pass in the reference to the UI widget. The objective complete widget is what it wants. I just don't remember where it was getting that before. Yeah, there. So, okay.
Oops. What was this?
Let's wait for, yeah, that one.
Wait, why isn't it coming up? Mission. Am I in the right spot?
Yeah.
Mission notification. Mission notification. This is, but this is BP mission actor base. I need to do this.
Oh. Oh, I thought that
I
was
need
in
to
the
do all
widget.
of this.
Well, if you can pass in a reference to the mission actor, then you don't need to duplicate all that.
Okay, let's try that. Where's the mission actor?
Oh, you got it already. Go back. Just your tracked mission. Wait.
Oh, from the.
Yeah. There. Yeah. Yes.
Nice. Okay. Save that. It's called here. I need to handle FX too. Okay. Good. Now I just need to get rid of this guy. Where was it?
Yeah, all that stuff.
Delete. 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 Okay. Let's test it.
And we're calling both those functions, right?
What do you mean?
The effects and the, yeah, I think we are.
FX UI. Yep.
Yep. I never make a function and then don't ever call it and then figure out why it's not working.
You've never done that?
Oh,
Of
never.
course not.
Never.
Okay. Wait a second.
Oh,
Ugh, thought we were done. Oh, let's finish this real quick. Oh, the mission's complete.
yeah.
So we messed something up. How did just adding this? 1 sec. I'm going to remove this from the equation to see if something else broke along the way. Okay.
And it didn't. Oh, night. Huh. What the heck?
We're almost there. Just somehow. What changed? Did I delete something out of here that we needed? Let me undo.
Let's see.
So this should bring us back to exactly what we had before. Just to see if it works real quick.
Yeah. You can open your mission thing before that loading screen goes away.
Oh,
Little pro tip.
okay, that's working. Okay. So that's all working correctly. Somehow moving this logic into here breaks it.
Go back to the mission actor.
Mm-hmm.
So at the very end, very end. So that, open that up. So that also triggers the mission complete. That's why you weren't getting your mission complete, because the one triggers the other. Well, no, because we were calling that anyways, right? Just somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. Plug those back in and start doing some breakpoints.
Yeah, what the heck?
Just disconnect those and like move them down or something. Yep. So that should Yeah, see if that's for making it past that branch. That's
This?
maybe a, yeah. See what that guy's doing.
I'm just gonna call mission complete.
Yes.
No, but the mission's not complete, correct?
Correct. But it's being, yeah, logged as such. So that's probably a problem.
Autocomplete. Oh wait, we shouldn't even be here yet, right?
Right. Yeah, that's for,
We shouldn't be past this.
yeah, we shouldn't be past that.
Or no, we are past it, but we only want to handle the objective complete, not the mission complete. Right?
Right. Objective complete, add report.
So if I just for testing here, shouldn't I spawn my terminal complete thing?
Yeah, go back to where that was before.
I just want to see
Yeah,
if the
yeah, you can
terminal.
test. You can test.
Yeah. My terminal thing should pop up. Yeah. Boom. So what's
Okay.
going on is the issue is this.
Yeah. What were we doing before?
Is complete.
Okay, so before that's past the branch where we check if everything is complete.
Ah. Understood. So what we need to do is call the first part here and call that complete part here. So this is
Yeah.
handle
Well,
objective complete UI. And then we need handle mission complete UI. Right?
yeah, but this isn't. Hmm. The problem we're going to run into is the waiting until that clears.
Okay.
Because if we're calling one and the check to see if all objectives are complete is, where is that?
I mean, I can
You can move the function, but it's in a different.
pass this boolean.
That's not the check in question. If you go back to the mission actor on objective complete, I think it's the second one from the right. Mission actor objective complete. There's a function right there. Are all objectives complete?
I can call that.
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't I just why don't we just duplicate all this?
Well, because this is in the actor base, and now we're trying to move it over to the log. So you're gonna have to recreate that function in here.
No, I can't call.
Yeah, there you go.
Can I do that?
Yeah, you wouldn't want to do it right there, but yes.
Like that?
Yes,
The issue, well, what's this for? Because now we're not setting that anymore.
is complete. I don't remember what I'm using that for.
Doesn't look like anything.
Okay.
I could also just get this variable up here instead of calling this.
Oh. Yeah, you could do that too.
That'd be simpler. And then we just don't call this.
And we're sure that's getting set before we're calling it in the log. It should be right. Commission.
So I can just finish this. We don't need this. So we wanted to move it up. And then it'll only play the mission complete in here if track mission. But where does track mission get?
Get set.
You were asking earlier if this boolean gets set before we need it in
Yeah.
mission log.
Yeah.
How do I want to make sure. I just don't know where to look.
So what's the name of that function we were just looking at there?
This one?
Yeah.
Mission actor objective complete.
Okay.
Right here, mission actor objective complete.
Okay. So we should be good.
Okay. And I'm calling both the UI and the FX before we check are all objectives complete.
Mhm.
That's fine, right? Is that good?
I think so.
Okay. All right, moment of truth. Is this it?
Let's see.
Did you know I could pull that up before the loading screen finishes?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang, I wish I'd known that. Saved me a lot of time.
Oh. At least it's not broken. At least it's,
Yeah.
we're much closer. But we don't want that to show up, right?
Right. That was the whole point.
We just replicated all of it here, but I feel like we're close. It's in here, right? Is this the notification widget?
Yeah. Wait, go back there. I thought we deleted that stuff
What?
in the handle mission objective. All the rest of that, I thought we were deleting all the rest of that stuff after.
Oh, wait. This?
No, go back. Yeah, so all we want to do here is. Oh, wait. Oh, no, you're right.
Yeah, delete. We're deleting this. That's why.
Okay.
I'm just wondering. So the only way that eliminate target one is showing up is right here, right? It's because this.
Yeah.
But it's getting called before we check, are we done? So that's why we originally had it back here.
Yeah.
But now, so what? I need to pass in.
Yeah.
I need to pass in this.
Why is it? Why does it need to be before the branch?
Because then, if it's after the branch, we won't get. I thought we wouldn't get the widget, like the terminal, because we weren't complete. Or is this only per objective?
It's per objective.
Okay, so you're saying if we move it over here, we should be fine.
Think so.
All right. Easy to test.
No, you can open that mission tab before the loading
You
screen.
were gonna say. Okay, looking good. Might be it. All right. If I kill this guy and he comes up, flipping my table over.
Hey.
There we go.
Hey.
That's it, guys.
That's it.
Did it.
Yeesh.
All right. I
Now,
think that's
now these people know why game dev takes so long.
yeah. We spent what 2 hours on
Two
these
people,
simple,
2 hours.
but it all comes together, right? So, like every single time we get something working, it's working, you know. So, well, I think this is a good wrapping point. Maybe we can give all the people watching a treat. I don't know if there's a question or something we can show them if they
Yeah.
haven't seen since we have the editor up. I think.
Want to show them your hover mode? Or is that not ready?
What about hover mode?
Gravity?
I put it in sneak peeks, but I guess I'll show it again, so people who don't have Foundation Room access maybe. And then we'll call it for the day, and everybody that goes off and enjoys their weekend. So, for those that weren't aware, don't have Foundation Room, I posted a sneak peek, but was able to get hover mode working on planets or on spherical surfaces. So if I just add this sphere and let's make it like, I don't know, let's lock that, make it 500, let's make it pretty big. Maybe too big. Okay, just trying to make a mock planet here. And I want to add, all I gotta do is add a gravity source component. And I gotta set the radius on it. Like, that was 500, so 500. Okay. Now, this should just work. Do I need to do anything else? I don't think
You need
so.
to set a game mode.
Yeah, there you go. Set it to the right game mode. Okay. So I gave that sphere gravity. On an air back real quick. All right. Good. What's going on? I think I broke it. Oh wait, I know that. There was a local change I needed to do that. Somebody had DT player bike checked out, so I need to make this a local change. On hover mode, I need to inherit the camera roll. Okay. Here we go. Go back down here. And then, by the way, you have a question in the chat. Right.
Oh.
Okay, so here we go. I am now flying on this planet. It's a little challenging because the planet's so small, so I'm going so fast it wants to fly off. But yeah, got this working yesterday. I was really happy. So we're getting really close to being able to support. So hover mode's working, and then starting early next week, I'm going to try to get characters to be able to walk on planets because that's not working yet. And with that, we should be able to support, gameplay on planet surfaces. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Flight mode.
Funcracker. Yeah. A lot of exciting news on that front, actually. Very recent, very exciting. I don't know. Can I tell him about it, or he's asking about our planet solution?
I mean, I don't have an issue with talking about it. I just don't know if we wanted to make that a big reveal.
Yeah.
So maybe we should hold off and just say that we've made some big plays on the Planet Tech side recently, and I think we're wanting to do a reveal on that topic at Breakpoint, is why we're kind of skittish on talking about it.
Yeah. I think that's probably a good call in
Yeah.
this case. But yeah, big movements.
Yeah, we're
in that
excited
area.
about that. Can I show Urbis? Brad, you want to show Urbis? Is that do you have the planet built?
Let me see. I think I do, but it's
Not
not
in a good state.
very cool right now. Yeah.
What was that planet you showed a week ago? Maybe you can pull that up, and then we can. You know, the one with the foliage, or no? What was the planet that you showed like a week ago?
I don't know. I could just
All
open
right.
like a demo planet real quick.
Sure.
So So this isn't like a planet from Galia or anything. This is just like a test planet. But let's see how smooth it is. It's like coming in, there's no popping.
I mean, it performs better.
Yeah.
Like once in a package.
Once it's built, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's insane. We're open to start getting some foliage and other biomes, but yeah, hard at work on planets.
Yeah. Cool stuff for sure. Stay tuned for Breakpoint.
Yep. All right. I think we should call it here. It's been 2 hours on a Friday afternoon. So the plan is to, garner reception, but assuming you guys enjoyed this, we'll do it monthly. Just to kind of check in with you guys, show you what we're working on every once in a while. But yeah, thanks again. I'm surprised I had 40, 50 people watching the entire time. Thanks for joining, guys. And yeah, hope to do this again.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next month, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, right before Breakpoint, maybe we'll do another one. Okay. Have a good weekend,
Cool.
everybody. Cheers.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.